Okay, some people were asking me, well, what do you do when you're within the Snap application to get that Snap project out into the Edmodo world? And I'm here to tell you a little bit about that today. Let's go over to the Snap application. In the Snap application, as you can see here, we have all kind of things available to us to create our Snap. And then we have things that are set aside, like this button here, to do things such as open new snaps, save the snap, and all kind of other things. We're going to look at export the project. I'm going to export the project this way by clicking on this export project, and it's going to create this XML file that my browser sees as this nice, basically an outline of what my data is for my project. So I then go over to my browser and I go File and Save the Page as an XML file, and I can name this, for example, if I go name this something, I'll just call this example export, and I'll just save it to my documents, and then it's done just like that. I got that XML for my project, and then I can go over to Edmodo and say I'm over in this class right here, and I want to, all right, post a little note. Say, here is a basic snap that shows a graph area. That's basically what it does. So now I'm just going to go ahead and link to something, a file. I'm going to go get a file in my documents and go down to my documents area here. And I'm going to go ahead and choose what I had just done right there. I just said that it was and let me go ahead and choose the snap. Here's another one actually. I can upload a snap starter graph. This is the same thing. So I'll just go ahead and put that right here as a snap starter graph. And then I can just go send. And now I send it to my entire class right there, and they have that snap starter graph. Now what if they wanted to go and use that graph in their own project? Well, they can just click on that file. They can get it right there. It shows up again in the window. They can save it to their computer, the same thing I did right over there. Go File, Save the Page As, and they can save it. I already saved it to my computer. I don't have to save it again. And let me just go over here and go New Project back in Snap. Got a new project, and here we are in a new area, and I'm going to go ahead and open that file. I'm going to import it. Actually, I'm going to go import, and now I'm going to go and find in my documents that file right here, snap starter graph. I'm going to open it, and there it is. Actually went and saved it as an XML file. Went over to the Edmodo site. And at the Edmodo site, we uploaded it, shared it with a bunch of good people, and now everybody has access to that same file. So that's really all there is to it. If you have any more questions, post them, and we'll get back to you.